Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So on today's video, we are going to be fertilizing the blueberry bushes from last year, raspberry bushes, and blackberry bushes. What I'm using to fertilize them is this bad boy here again, which is good for all of that. Of course, you know I gotta have my worm castings, my topsoil mulch, soil acidifier, like what I was mentioning in the video to fertilize the trees. I think that was the video. I don't know. But yeah, I finally got some. So this will be for the berries. And we're going to jump right on into this video. If you guys have not subscribed to the channel already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Thumbs up this video. Share this video if you would like. So let's jump right into it. Okay, guys. This is the blackberries. We're just going to get them a little food. Since they waking up, well, they don't woke up because you see it got leaves on it then. So we're just gonna give it a little food. Ooh, them roots in there, baby. I guess for these 5-gallon buckets, I'm just gonna do a handful. Two handfuls of the worm castings. The soil are already moist from all the rain. We're just gonna work that into the soil without disturbing the roots. Topsoil to cover it up, / mulch. Try not to cover any leaves up.
Yeah, I better get out there and get y'all some of these trees.
And these bushes from last year, y'all.
We're gonna get some fruit this year, y'all. Yeah, I better get on board.
Hopefully we get some fruit this year. I'm pretty sure we will. Okay, and that's all to it. You would normally water it in once you finish amending the soil / fertilizing. But like I said, mine is already moist from all the rain. Oh, put the tag back in there. Hold on. Okay, bring it. I forgot all about that, and I can't put it in there now. I'm trying to remind myself to put it in there when I test the pH of the soil. Just stick it on the side. Okay, these raspberries, y'all, we are gonna figure out some type of trellis situation for these raspberries. Probably tomorrow. And I'm pretty sure we'll get some raspberries this year. I know in a previous video I was asking you guys, do you think I should trellis them and, I mean not trellis them, prune them. I'm glad I didn't. I'm glad I just waited. I forgot to add a little dirt.
It's okay.
Oh, it couldn't on that one because the leaves so low.
Yeah.
Y'all, this is just a quick little video on fertilizing these berry bushes. Just like them blackberries. Y'all make sure y'all thumbs up this video. Subscribe to the channel if you have not already subscribed to the channel.
Yeah, I better get out there and get you some because the price is going up now.
Yeah, the prices on the starter plants like almost doubled. And this year, probably until I don't want to do it no more, but I'm getting me some starter plants. Now my seeds, we've already stocked up on seeds, but I'm saving my seeds till they bump out one day and say, well, we're not gonna put any starter plants in the stores, and then everybody will be scrambling for seeds and I have some. So I'm saving my seeds. Except like for corn, because I planted some corn seeds and carrots. We'll do an update on that. We need some bees.
I know, to make sure you don't get hit back.
I did about half a handful of that pH down, because that's all it is. I probably should repot this since I got two main vines. But I'll see how it go this year. And when I have to prune this fall or winter, then I probably divide it. Like once it go back to sleep dormant, I'll probably divide them then. Just a little quick video of fertilizing these berries, these bushes and vines, so you guys will know it is not hard to do. What baby be saying? Proper planning prevents poor preparation.
Proper preparation prevents poor performance.
Or however it go. However it go. Okay, this ready. And like I said, I'm gonna do a little trellis video for those vines. Blackberries again. I need to start wearing gloves, y'all. But I just believe in just getting right on in it. I said these blackberries starting off beautiful. They look better than they did when I bought them last year. You just go in and order it in. Y'all, I got a feeling the garden gonna be looking beautiful this summer. Mariana, bring my strawberries. Show y'all I got like 4 strawberries, y'all. Y'all know I was complaining about them strawberries last year and was in a frenzy about them strawberries. Well, I already got some strawberries growing on it. I said I'm gonna repot them. Then look at all the roots at the bottom of it. I said I'm gonna repot it. But y'all see the roots? They good and white. Y'all see my little strawberries? Aren't they beautiful?
From last year.
Yeah, it's from last year. I said I'm gonna have to repot that. I finally got some strawberries. Patience, patience, patience. It ain't over till it's dead. Okay guys, what I have here on this one is blueberry. So blueberry done got drowned with all this rain. So I'm just scooping off that top algae looking layer. And this still got some food in it from last year. But what I'm putting in it, it's just some organic fertilizer, slow release. So it's not gonna burn it or nothing like that. Okay, I cleaned it out. Raspberry. Okay, we're gonna add a little fertilizer. Love this stuff. Earthworm casting. Hold on, let me fix my camera. That's not gonna work for me. Okay, it's better.
Oh, yeah.
No, it doesn't. This is blueberries.
No, because all them got theirs in there.
No, it's blueberries. Those are raspberries. Come on, honey dumpling, come on. Okay, we're gonna work that in. Work it, work it, work it. Oh yeah, but like I was saying, y'all, I got seeds and stuff stocked up. So as long as I can get me some starters, baby, I'm gonna get me some starters. And I can't wait to go get some. But see, before I go get mine, I'm gonna wait a little minute because the weather here, it's just been too crazy. I don't wanna start my babies off and then there it is, we got 8 inches of rain. See, I don't have time for that. And then it's moist. Or it's just a breeding ground for bacteria. So I want to wait till it's nice and warm, a steady warm. And if I don't get any, I'm still good. Because I got them seeds. Y'all make sure y'all thumbs up the video. Thumbs up the video. Subscribe to the channel if you have not already subscribed to the channel. Okay, so that's it for the blueberries. Okay. Y'all get the picture. Y'all get the picture. I'm gonna put another video out for the trellis for these raspberries in a couple of days. So I will see you guys in the next video. I appreciate you. Make sure you thumbs up. I always get that little weeds that be growing. I get that out because I don't need nothing taking food from my my plants. But yeah, y'all thumbs up the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you good people in the next video. Peace.